This is my rendition of, well, I haven't finished yet, but I stuccoed that up. But this will be the Matamoros Brownsville Bridge, a railroad. I have a real tight spot here, but this is just, got the police station, the news on this side, got the river, Rio Grande River, and I have some policia and some cartel guys waiting for their wood to get across the U.S. Of course, I haven't finished this side yet, but I can't wait for that cab ride to happen. And then I got these right here. I take off into another direction. Boom, boom. This switch right here. I switch off and well, yeah, you know what it'll do. It'll come down here. I gotta run off here for another. I put that paper there just now for backdrop. RGV, Rio Grande Valley Railroad. And so right now it's rubbing against the paper. It wasn't against the wall. Nice and free riding against the wall. But right now, you know, we're gonna have a Ghostbuster scene. Alright, let's see how it goes. Gotta fix that track there, I guess. You know, it's still in the stages of the fixing part. But I'm getting it. It's pretty cool. Got the rocks going up when you have the sand. I don't know, I hope I'm doing it right. Put some marble dust in the plaster. I use it because I'm a pool guy. Got the aircon breathing right there. You know, coming up. That's gonna say Mexico-American border. Coming in, Rio Grande Valley.